Okay. So you've got that versatility from 29 inches all the way to 52 inches. And you've got the brush. We're gonna talk about the cleaner. The brush, really special. You see the way the bristles are. When you talk about fuller brush, of course you're thinking about those brushes where somebody would go door to door and sell them. One thing they know is cleaning and brushes. It's a special design where you see, and I'm gonna hold it like this, you see how it flares out? That's for cleaning that grout, getting in between the tile. You get the brush included, but you are also getting the bathroom cleaner. This is called Grime Guard. The Grime Guard cleaner is you know, perfect for, let's say you've got those hard water stains on your glass shower door. Maybe you've got that line, that rust, that calcium deposit. You're gonna give a spray, you're gonna take that brush, gonna come right off, and you're gonna say that fuller brush. There's a reason why they've been in business since 1906. Here you go with the foaming cleaner. Now here's what happens is, because it's a foaming cleaner, it's gonna cling to vertical surfaces. It's gonna make it easier to clean and rinse the dirt away. Because it's sticking to it with that foam, it's gonna really work where it is, because if it just rolls right off, it's not gonna do much. Powerful foaming action, it works quickly, effectively. It's gonna dissolve the soap scum, the hard water stains, magnesium, calcium caused by all those things, but grime. Let's talk about that. What it does is it provides an invisible barrier to guard against future buildup of mineral stains. So you're not just cleaning that glass shower door, you're protecting it from future, you know, stain. And I'll tell you, it takes a while, but it's gonna, you know, it takes a while for it to build up. If you've got hard water and you've got a glass shower door, you're constantly squeegeeing it every time you go to the shower. I can't tell you what a pain that is. So let me give you a little more information. Foaming cleaner clings to vertical surfaces. And I told you this and why it's important, because it's sticking to it and it's gonna be doing its work. If it's rolling right off, it's not doing anything. Foaming dissolves soap scum and hard water stains like those minerals. Now here's the deal. It's got Grime Guard, and the guarding is what it does. So after you've cleaned it, it's actually gonna guard against future stains and buildup. And I wanna mention, it's made right here in the United States of America. Safe to use on fiberglass showers, on hot tubs. It's great for, and really anything we're cleaning in the bathroom. It's really resilient, and you know, the brush is gonna be fabulous for mica, enamel, chrome, stainless steel, synthetic marble. You think about, you know, what's stainless steel? Is it your, you know, your refrigerator, your dishwasher? Did you have stainless steel appliances? You always wonder, like, what do I do? You know, the brush, what do I do to clean around things? Maybe you have different things, maybe you have a mop, but that brush really gets in and around, especially in your bathtub, is you're gonna give that spray, you can do the brush, it's the 1-2 punch, and the Grime Guard is meant to go in tandem with the brush. They're designed by the same people. A lot of times you have a tool and then you have a product and they're designed by different, you're like, well, don't use this with this and don't use that. These are designed to go together. And for $29.95, also very, very affordable, you get a very large size, 24 fluid ounces. And you're going to be, you know, cleaning. Now, here's the other thing I like, is the versatility of the handle. 29 inches to 52. So if you're doing something like a smaller, you know, smaller job and you're just kind of, you know, okay, but if you want to reach up for those high jobs, you know, something, you know, tall, you can do that because it's got that a telescopic handle, give it a little twist to secure it and then untwist it, and then you're able to make it shorter for doing like countertops, you know, your refrigerator. If you've got that stainless steel, this is going to be perfect. And the way the brush head is designed, this is where the ingenuity, the years and years, and when I say years, since 1906, of the Fuller Brush Company, it's the engineering and the design. I want to turn it in such a way where you see the flare. So what does that flare do? It has that larger surface area. It's getting in the grout, because yes, we can all clean the tiles. That's not the hard part. The hard part is getting the grout clean. Now you've got the brush to do it. Now we're gonna have a full presentation at 6 a.m.